With the best AI app builder, you expect one thoughtful prompt to be enough to build an already functioning app, and the following prompts only to make it better instead of fixing it, right? Let's see if Base44 delivers just that. First, let's get things clear on what is considered the best AI app builder for beginners. Based on my experience, it's one that gets your idea into a working product with the least effort from your side, and that includes making technical processes easy to understand and follow. In practice, it's when an AI app builder tool handles structure, logic, data, and deployment, all while still allowing customization when you go off template. That said, most AI builders also generate some mock-up demo versions of an app with a pretty UI, which looks good on paper, but once you try to use or modify it, the whole thing starts bursting through the seams, revealing the limitations of that perfect no-code app builder. And that is the benchmark I am setting for the Base44 AI app builder. Quick note before expanding on its features, you can try Base44 for free via the link in the description. And through that same link, you also get to see all the paid plans. I'll get into that a bit later. For this video, I chose the builder plan because it allows me to export my code. You can get this specific plan with a discount by following the other link in the description. For this Base44 tutorial, I'll be making a mobile app. Yes, apparently since February, you can select to export your app as a mobile app and then upload it to the Apple or Google Play Store. I'm thinking about making a pet food and medicine intake tracker. Sound fun, right? I type a prompt that explains what my app should be about and what functions to add. Now you can see my app update in real time as the AI builds and edits it. This is the first feature in action, the live front-end preview. Instead of writing prompts blindly and waiting for a full rebuild, you can catch smaller issues early and guide the AI step by step. Or what if your prompt misses some details? Will Base44 just stop or worse, break? No, not at all. It usually generates a reasonable default version and often suggests next steps or improvements based on what you've built. In some cases, it will even guide you by highlighting what's missing or what could be refined, giving you the feeling that you are working with your developer friend. Way more pleasant than spending time alone with the Prompt Engineering for Dummies guide trying to come up with the perfect prompt. I found the ability to tweak elements directly in the interface to be one of my favorite things about the Base44 app builder. You might have guessed already, but it's actually got a common feature among other AI builders. This mode is accessed simply by clicking the edit button in the chat. What a time and brain saver, not needing to type prompts for every small change. To top it up, Base44 also generates the logic behind the app, the so-called backend architecture. That removes the biggest beginner roadblocks. If you had to do this from scratch, you'd spend months, if not years, just to understand how different backends communicate. And that's just one part of it. So that's the immense time and money saving you get with the best AI app builder. And to save you even more, I'm also providing you with Base44 promo code. You'll get it applied if you follow the link in the description. Another feature worth mentioning in this Base44 review is GitHub integration, which lets you work on your app outside of their platform. So if they were to shut down, change pricing, or you want to leave, you won't be stuck. You can take it anywhere. Keep in mind that export is only available with the Builder Pro and Enterprise plans though. Don't worry if you change your mind in the middle of building your app, Base44 offers versioning, so you'll always be able to roll back a few steps. I'm sure you'll use this feature at least a few times, since when working with AI, not every update it makes is worth keeping. I want you to get a better feel for how little effort it takes to build with Base44, and what's a better way than taking a look at pre-built elements. Starting with templates, most of us like to see concrete examples like your website template to better understand what it looks like, what is user-friendly, and what in general best expresses your idea. Moving on, additional add-ons and chatbots are functional components that you can plug into your app, such as automation features. For example, imagine you built a client portal and you want users to be able to ask questions inside of it. With just a few clicks, you can add the chatbot feature and poof, it's there, no coding needed. And last, but most definitely not least, pre-built elements include app patterns such as dashboards and CRUD, the basic logic behind almost every app that handles data. Those are the most common app structures people need. Think admin panels, data trackers, or client portals. Base44 gives you all of that as a ready-made foundation. You just plug in your own data and customize it to fit your needs. All of these add-ons just highlight another challenge besides learning to code, figuring out the structure of the app and drawing a plan for what should be built first. So why not build app with AI? Just click the link below and choose the plan that best fits you with the discount already applied. Now I'm going to cover what is, in my opinion, the most important part: deployment. It reflects your app's performance and usability when it's out in the wild. Base44 offers automatic hosting, meaning you don't have to set up servers or infrastructure for your app. Domain-wise, you have two options. Use Base44's built-in domain to get something live fast, or connect your own custom domain. On top of that, Base44 handles automated SEO basics like meta tags and site structure, so your app can be indexed and found more easily without any manual setup. Plus, your app isn't locked to the desktop. There are mobile-ready export options. Base44 pricing works a bit differently than you might expect. It does have plans like any other service, free, starter, builder, pro, and elite, but it's not the usual higher plan is more features approach. It's a bit more complicated than that, as each plan opens additional capacity, like how much you can build or how many integrations you can run. Simply put, you buy how much of the AI brain's computing power you can use. There are two types of credits you need to consider: message and integration credits. So message credits are your building currency. It's what you spend every time you talk to the AI, every fix, every prompt, every tweak. As for integration credits, these are what are used when your app performs actions such as calling APIs, sending emails, processing data, or using AI features. Once your app becomes more functional, it starts using these credits in the background. So which plan should you go for? Free is fine for a sandbox to see how it works, since it doesn't provide any backend. Starter is good for covering small personal projects or early MVPs, and it lets you code manually, though your app still lives on Base44 subdomain and you can't take it anywhere else. Builder, on the other hand, is the sweet spot for users who are serious about building a functional app. The plan offers a custom domain, GitHub integration, and backend functions, and of course, enough computing power through credits. I left a link in the description with a discount already applied, so don't forget to use it if you're planning on getting this plan. As for Pro and Elite, I suggest those for when your app grows. You'll get more credits, access to team usage, and the ability to handle heavier traffic. One more practical piece of advice from me: if your prompts are vague, yes, Base44 will help you to add more with queries, but you'll end up wasting credits fixing things later. Go in with a clear idea. Know your features, your flow, and your app's purpose. You'll get much better results and save your nerves. But if you do get stuck, Base44 has you covered with a huge documentation hub with a prompt library. It's basically a cheat sheet for getting the most out of the AI. It's a good first stop with tested, ready-made examples and structures. So does Base44 meet all of the requirements mentioned earlier to be called the best AI app builder for beginners? Short answer, yes. It turns your idea into a fully functional app while handling all of the heavy lifting for you. Throughout the process, you'll feel like working with a colleague developer who gives you directional tips for what can be done or improved. Have you already tried Base44? Feel free to leave a comment down below. I am excited to hear your experience, and of course, be sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. See ya.